Welcome to Law-1. Unit-2, Indian Constitution Nature, Salient Features and Key Provisions. The Indian Constitution is the fundamental law of the land that defines the framework of governance, the rights and duties of citizens, and the relationship between the state and individuals. It is the lengthiest written constitution and draws inspiration from multiple sources, adapting them to the unique needs of India. Nature and salient features of the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution has several unique characteristics that make it distinct from other constitutions. Some of its salient features include 1. Written and detailed constitution. The Indian Constitution is one of the most detailed and comprehensive constitutions in the world. It consists of 470 articles divided into 25 parts and 12 schedules. It clearly defines the structure of government, fundamental rights, directive principles, and duties. 2. Drawn from multiple sources. It takes inspiration from various global constitutions such as Britain parliamentary system, USA fundamental rights and judicial review, Canada federal structure with a strong central government, Ireland directive principles of state policy, DPSP, Germany emergency provisions. 3. Preamble Declaration of Ideals. The preamble sets out the objectives and guiding principles of the Constitution. It declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and ensures justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. 4. Federal system with unitary features. The Constitution establishes a federal system with a strong central authority. It divides powers between the Union and the states but allows the center to override the states in certain situations, example, during emergencies. 5. Parliamentary form of government. India follows a parliamentary system where the executive is accountable to the legislature. The president is the nominal head, while the prime minister is the real executive authority. 6. Fundamental rights, Articles 12 to 35. These are essential rights that protect citizens from state oppression. Includes right to equality, right to freedom, right to protection against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. 7. Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP, Articles 36 to 51. These principles guide the government in policy making and governance. Includes provisions for welfare, social justice, economic equality, and international peace. 8. Fundamental Duties, Article 51A. Citizens are expected to follow 11 fundamental duties such as respecting the Constitution, protecting public property, and promoting harmony. 9. Universal adult suffrage and elections. Every citizen above 18 years of age has the right to vote, Article 326. Elections are conducted under the supervision of the Election Commission of India. 10. Independent judiciary and judicial review. The Supreme Court, High Courts, and lower courts ensure justice and constitutional validity of laws. The judiciary has the power of judicial review to strike down unconstitutional laws. 11. Single citizenship. Unlike the USA, where individuals have dual citizenship, national and state level, India provides for single citizenship at the national level. 12. Emergency provisions, Articles 350 to 316. The Constitution provides for 3 types of emergencies. National emergency, Article 352, during war or external aggression. State emergency, President's Rule, Article 356, when a state government fails to function. Financial emergency, Article 360, when the financial stability of India is threatened. Preamble to the Indian Constitution. The preamble serves as an introduction to the Constitution and reflects its philosophy and objectives. Text of the preamble. Asterisk, we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Asterisk. Key elements of the preamble. Sovereign India is free from external control. Socialist aims for social and economic equality. Secular, no official state religion, equal treatment of all religions. Democratic government elected by the people. Republic, no hereditary monarchy, the president is elected. Justice ensures social, economic, and political justice. Liberty guarantees freedom of speech, belief, and worship. Equality, no discrimination based on caste, religion, gender, etc. Fraternity promotes national unity and integrity. Union and its territories, Articles 1 to 4. Article 1, Name and Territory of India. India is referred to as India, that is Bharat. It is a union of states, meaning states cannot secede from the union. Article to admission of new states. The Parliament has the power to admit new states into the union. Article 3, Reorganization of states. The Parliament can create new states, alter boundaries, or change state names. Article 4, Laws related to states and territories. Any law made under Articles 2 and 3 shall not be considered an amendment to the Constitution under Article 368. India currently has 28 states and 8 union territories. Citizenship, Articles 5 to 11. The Constitution provides for single citizenship and regulates citizenship through the Citizenship Act, 1955. Provisions related to citizenship. Article 5, Citizenship for persons domiciled in India at the time of commencement. Article 6, Citizenship for persons who migrated from Pakistan. Article 7, Citizenship for people who had migrated to Pakistan but later returned. Article 8, Citizenship for Indians residing abroad. Article 9, No dual citizenship allowed. Article 10, Citizenship continues as per laws passed by Parliament. Article 11, Parliament has the power to make laws regarding citizenship. The Citizenship Act, 1955, and its amendments define how citizenship is acquired and lost. General Principles relating to fundamental rights, Article 13. Article 13, Protection against unconstitutional laws. Ensures that laws violating fundamental rights are void. Judicial review. Courts can declare unconstitutional laws null and void. Provisions under Article 13. Article 13. 1. Pre-constitution laws inconsistent with fundamental rights shall become void. Article 13. 2. The state cannot make new laws that violate fundamental rights. Article 13. 3. Defines law to include ordinances, orders, regulations, customs, etc. Article 13. 4. Constitutional amendments are not considered laws under Article 13. Definition of state, Article 12. Article 12 defines state for the purpose of fundamental rights. The state includes Government of India and state governments, Parliament and state legislatures, local authorities, municipalities, panchayats, etc. Other authorities, PSUs, government agencies. This definition is crucial as fundamental rights are enforceable against the state and its actions. Conclusion. This unit forms the foundation of constitutional law in India. It explains the nature, Salient features, preamble, territorial organization, citizenship laws, fundamental rights, and the role of the state in governance. These elements together ensure that India remains a sovereign, democratic, and just nation.